I'm just doing a short video right now, and we did it. We finally have 2 subscribers. I didn't know. I think it's Nathan and Diggy. I call him Dicky because that's what his grandfather calls him. But Diggy. I think they subscribed, so they both get so I think they get the boxing gloves. But somebody let me know in the comments in the free giveaway video, and then in the comments I have, tell me who subscribed, and I'll give you whatever you want of your choice. And plus, I have a few toys, movies, and games. So if you don't want that, you can be in my video, and that's all I have to say. So, yeah, thanks for the 2 subscribers. I know that's not anything exciting to get about, like, views. It's exciting to get about views and, like, subscribers. It's kind of something to me. Like, if I had to rate 1 out of 10, it would be, like, 5 or 6. Only because I like some views, and I don't know why. But, yeah. So, I'm gonna do a basketball video. And my room is so dark, and I have to like move the light, and I have to put my phone on a charger, so I'm gonna upload this video first. Make sure you have a dabalicious day. Bye!